You're watching How to Guide YouTube channel, a channel where we post guide videos, and in today's video I'm gonna be showing you guys how you guys can fix your white screen problem in Instagram. So this problem arises like whenever you open Instagram, it doesn't show you anything, it's just white. In the past I also had this problem, but I fixed it, and now as you guys can see, I can use my Instagram in a normal way. Now there's multiple ways to fix it, and I'm gonna be showing you guys those ways. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel How to Guide, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on. Let's move on. First step, what you want to do is close your Instagram like this. Once you close your Instagram, open it again. Sometimes just reloading your Instagram should fix the problem. After doing this, if it's still not fixed, check your internet if it is slow or not. Sometimes due to slow internet as well, it's not gonna load up properly, so make sure to switch to a data connection or another internet connection. But if your internet connection is fast and you're still facing the problem, then go to your app store and then search for Instagram. Once you search for Instagram, check if there is any update or not. Mine says open over here, that means my Instagram is up to date. But if it says update over here, you gotta click on it to update your Instagram. And even after updating your Instagram, if it's still not fixed, what you can do is just like delete your Instagram and reinstall it again. Sometimes due to a bug as well, it causes this problem. So deleting the Instagram app over here just like this, hold on the app and click on the minus button, click on delete app and click on delete. Your Instagram will be deleted. Then reinstall your Instagram app and your problem should be fixed. Even after doing that, if it's still not fixed, you can go to your Instagram on your browser. So I have gone to instagram.com and logged in into my account. After you do that, you want to click on the profile picture at the bottom right over here, and you can see the little setting icon over here. You can click on it, and over here you can see report a problem. Click on report a problem. Over here write this. It shows me white screen when I open my Instagram app. Fix it please, and click on send report. This report will be sent to Instagram staff. They'll view it and they'll help you fix your problem. The other thing you can do is just go to your browser over here and just type this. You want to write this, is Instagram down right now, and click on down detector. Over here, as you guys can see, the spikes are going really high over here at the moment, but right now it's going down, which means like Instagram is running like, good. It's like running in a smooth way. But if the spikes, like most of the spikes, like all of the spikes is above like 150, then that means like Instagram is not working properly. Right now only like a couple of spikes are only above 150, but if like more than 10 or 20 spikes are above 150, then yeah, Instagram is down. In that case, the only thing you can do is wait patiently. So yeah, that's basically how to fix your Instagram like white screen problem. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel, and bye bye.